Bye-bye, pool. Lala nung ano.
Wala, hindi ko talaga.
Quick night.
Ayan.
Video.
Winner ba yung ating ano? Low light bunny.
Swim, swim! Ang lamig ko. Windy and rainy. Ayan na!
Ay! Oh my God. Good morning.
Sige. Morning, Babab.
Ayun pala yung mangrove.
Ito yung parang valley sa kabilang side. Alam ko simple.
Oh, twirl na, twirl, twirl. Twirl.
Si Ay lang sumama.
Paano yun, Gab? Yung ganito, Gab?
Ha?
Ganito?
Yehey! Miss mo si Mamo?
Nice one. A runner. Guys,
Dami natutuwa.
are you a singer? Tapos you put there. Hold mo, get the card. Tapos you put here. You put
Ang taas.
Abot?
You put the card.
Ay, friends sila rin natin dati. Yeah.
Open.
Go, go.
Put the card.
Wow!
Okay. Wow, ang galing ni Pam.
Are you energized?
Just tingnan mo parang.
Exciting! Sabi niya.
Exciting! Wow! Exciting daw! Exciting!
Ano yung tawag dyan, Gab-Gab?
Wow! Bunny!
Bunny! Oh, madulas ang
It's a
hair.
bunny!
Hop, hop, hop!
It's a bunny!
Cup for your coco.
Well, okay, wait.
Yan yung...
A little bunny!
So far, not so good din sa amin.
Hindi, I bought
Happy the bunny! Map,
ano,
map,
ano
map!
naman?
Happy the bunny! Map, map, map!
What is cup?
Si Elmo.
Ay, ang baso.
Yung wardrobe ni Gab-Gab.
Yung baso. Ay, kukuha to.
It's a jacket.
Happy birthday.
Thank you po, Tati.
Happy
See the bunny.
birthday.
See the little bunny.
And BTS to. And I
Sell mo.
Leno.
Ay, thank you pa.
Validated na siya. Oo.
Ito baba for your...
Wow!
Ano ba gusto mo ng ano?
Dahil lang.
Natin. up!
It's water, water. Bakit ba ito
Mahal! Wow! Sama natin si Mamo. Video to, video.
Video!
Agap! Hi!
Hello, Kapka!
Okay. Ikot naman tayo dito sa harap. Sabay na laglag ko, no?
Uy, ko!
Baka ka na ni Baba.
Kamay ko pala yun, Toy. Wee! Done.
Yummy, yummy! Baba, eh. Huwag mo muna sa bibig mo, Baba.
Add kami.
Hey, just need pala. Come on, you go this side para makapag-shoot.
May tissue pa po kayo dyan.
Ito, hindi ko nagamit.
Ito lang kumuha para hindi na.
What do you want?
Ano yun? Good job! Good job! Good job!
Good job!
Sabi niya pa naman siya pa.
Uy, bata! Hi!
Bunny, bunny, bunny. Left.
Crackers ka. Amoy...
He's so cute.
Want to go viral?
Pupunta na kami din sa Jones.
Guys, it's time for a morning date.
Buffet breakfast.
Morning date.
Yeah.
Kasi there's only the two of us for now. And then later on, tsaka na lang kami magki-kids club on the other side. Yeah. For now, breakfast muna tayo. Actually, I'm a bit full pa. Pero let's try. Alam mo ba umuulan? Ano daw? We have to wait outside?
We're waiting.
So while waiting, we'll just tour around. So sa other side lang naman is the kids club, swimming pool, the water park, pool cafe, and function lifts. Function lifts. So ito lang yung side na club. Ito yung actually papunta sa amin dito sa Sulit. Of this, if you go here. So children 8 and under, 750 for 2 hours and 300 naman for the garden pass. So
Hindi pa naman siya din.
it's raining. Morning. Ah, the water. Ay! Water park is on the same level. Ah, ito na pala yun. What do we have here?
it's too big of a slice for a breakfast. Churros.
Four? Totoo lang, I feel wala, hindi ka talaga
Para ako magmamarathon. Carbs on carbs on carbs.
goji berries. Di ba yung chilled taho? Di ba so cute.
Table number 50 pounds. You want this? Okay.
Wala po ba eh? David po.
Steaming it. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Let's go. That's true. Wait ako naman. Omelette tayo.
Order ka ng kayo. I ordered a little. Order ka ng kayo.
Just for one day.
Sige. Mami ko, saan na? Bago? Pwede mo na ulit pa-deliver sa name. Okay. Kain. Morning.
Drink. Hi.
Hello.
Also, baby.
Basit na muna daw. Morning, Babab. Jacket lahat. Hi. 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 Morning, world.
Kukuha mo na kami ng sulat.
Hi. Ay, breakfast ba? Breakfast ba? Morning, cutie pie. I thank you, sir. Thank you. Hey.
Custard mo na to.
Hello.
So, yung matamis pero may
Okay. Yan, nakatikim po ng custard yung oras.
Hi, good morning. I'm with Babab. She's awake. Let's go to Mamu. Hey, Good morning!
Yours, what's that?
Sa ano? Siopaw.
Siopaw.
Ito. Oh, yummy!
Happy bata, ang daming tapay. Tapay! Ay, ayaw.
You can eat though. Many food though.
Sit down ka na gab para kain tayo ng tapay. Ayaw mo po?
Sit down ka para kakain ka sa room. Sit down ka para
Oh,
kakain.
hawag ko. Ayaw mo. Sige, fine.
Yum, yum.
Croissant.
Hey.
Ah,
Huh?
happy mommy and daddy. And Pap.
You want cheese? Yummy.
Yaw, mas ayaw mo. Nyay.
Love you! Thank you, Miguel.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Go.
Cheers! Tut! Kain tayo! Gusto mo yan? Gabi wants ube. Kaya saya niya.
Ready? Ready.
Look at mommy, oh. See, exciting! Exciting!
I promise. Warbo.
Paano nga ka ako?
Duman na tayo? Saan tayo mag-start?
So we're done taking a shower prior the pool activities. Water park.
Water park. Wow. Ano yan? Yung uling ng halaman. Katawa ka. Ikaw muna kayo. Balik ko lang tong ano, buwan. Dito mo pa na kailangan. Sila muna. Ako ito na upload yung mga ito. Hindi ako ito yung video.
Nalalagas pa naman yan.
Ayun na! Wata na! Ako naman mag-video. Mamaya, hindi ko din sure eh. Ay, kamusta naman ang babab? Enjoying? Giniginaw? Brr!
Exciting!
Lamig! 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 Ikaw rin sama ka, sama ka doon. Sama ka doon. Laban! Bye-bye! Yay! Lipat na tayo! Pictures? Lakad ba?
Okay lang yan. Gusto ko. Bisa natin. Yay! I'm so happy!
Sabi ko to. At dahil umulan and malakas yung wind, early out ang early out. Early out, gab gab. Bye bye pool.
What time is it, Will? 4 p.m. pa pala.
Sisipin naman tayo.
Afternoon. Looking around lang actually.
Yes. We'll come with an extra.
Good afternoon. Hi po.
Kasi city view.
QC view. Okay.
Yes. We have Sorrento, which is the good one. It's good for 6 persons. For lunch, Kushimobo is 110,000 per two.
Punta tayo sa ano, sa function, okay.
Pero siya pang intimate, ano?
Yes, po.
Bye, Ruby. Hi.
And on the other private dining room for 6 also, it's good for 10 to 12 persons. It's smaller.
Gustoso.
16 to 8. Ito naman po for lunch, it's 65,000 pesos. For dinner, 75,000. Also, we can combine both on private dining room. We can remove the partition lang po, yes.
Pero yung total nila, yung ano?
30 po. Pero sa consumable po, ipagsasama lang po. So, 165 and 185.
Alrighty.
Actually, celebrations po like anniversary or birthday. Especially po pag dinner. So, we have a very nice view po and also labels.
Hi. Exit na tayo. See you next time, Pinestro. Thank you.
So we're here at the 7th floor. We'll be checking the health club, spa, and salon. Yung gym nila.
The gym is called Pace.
Yes.
Diba?
Problem lang namin kanina is kami nakapunta.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, we can go pa naman. Oh, yeah. So,
I think this is where Gab Gab can stay. Wow.
screen. Ano, winner ba yung ating low light pure video?
Ganda na camera kahit sa gabi. I mean sa darkness. Helpful. Siguro kung nagpanang muna, tayo meron free. Afternoon. Check in. BMI?
Do you wanna try this?
Bike. slippers mo sobrang hindi lang pakal. Ouch! Techno Gym. Pwede kang kumabit.